Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve email is already registered error on Discord. So firstly, turn off your Discord. Now open any web browser. Now click on this three dots. Click on new incognito window. Now here type Discord. Open discord.com. Then click on login. Now here click on forget your password. Enter your mail. Again click on forget your password. Click on OK. Now open your mail. Now click on reset password. Enter your new password. Click on change password. Now try to log in your account on Discord. Hopefully this time you can fix and resolve and you can log in your Discord account without any error. Thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not.